Hello, thank you for joining me today. We're going to talk about displaying a specific sugar alcohol on your nutrition facts label. As you know, sugar alcohol in general is a voluntary nutrient. So the first step we have to take is to tell the program to display sugar alcohol on the label. So we right click and select edit label and then go up here to nutrient or voluntary nutrients and check sugar alcohol. Okay. Now the generic line item of sugar alcohol is displayed on your label with its amount. US and Canadian regulations say that if there is only one type of sugar alcohol present, you can list that specific sugar alcohol instead of just sugar alcohols. So let's do that with sorbitol. Again, go to edit label. This time select nutrient options and scroll down here and expand sugar alcohol. Now, I'm going to type in sorbitol. Just type it in the text field here and click OK. And there it is on the label. That's how easy it is to display a specific sugar alcohol on your label. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you.